In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell videos on Squarespace. Whether you're a creator looking to expand your reach or a business that wants to offer digital products, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of selling videos on your Squarespace website. Let's get started. First, you'll want to go to your Squarespace homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the necessary features. Once you're on the homepage, head straight to the search bar. The search bar is a convenient tool that can help you quickly find different sections within Squarespace. In this case, type in Products. This will zero in on the specific section of the site where you can manage your inventory. After typing Products, you'll see a menu pop up with different options. Here, you'll want to click on the Products tab. This takes you to the central hub for handling all the products you intend to sell on your site. Next, look for the ADD Product button. Clicking this will open a menu where you can choose the type of product to add. Since you're looking to sell videos, you'll select Download as your product type. This option is specifically designed for digital files, including videos, ensuring your customers can access and download your content seamlessly. You'll have to click on Download again to finalize your choice. This step ensures that the system recognizes the product as a downloadable item, setting up the backend to handle digital transactions. Now it's time to personalize your digital product. Type in your product name. This is your chance to capture your audience's attention, so make sure it is descriptive and compelling. To enhance your product listing, you'll want to add some images. Click on the Add Images button. Images are crucial because they provide visual appeal and entice potential buyers. Once you're ready, click on Upload File. Here you will be instructed to upload the video that you are selling. Make sure your video file is properly formatted and ready for customers to download. This step is critical as it is the core of what you're offering. After the video is uploaded, you will need to set a price. Type in the price you've decided on for your video. Pricing is essential, so consider what your content is worth and what your audience is willing to pay. Finally, once you've entered all the necessary information and are happy with everything, click on Save. This action will publish your new product to your online store, making it available for purchase by your audience. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a video for sale on Squarespace. Remember, presentation matters, so always review how your product appears on your site. With these steps, you're well on your way to reaching your audience and growing your digital storefront. Happy selling!